When you search for the best comfort height toilets, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what really works for your bathroom comfort, you need to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Toto Entrada. Let's kick things off with the Toto Entrada 2-piece round toilet. Priced at $331.87, this toilet caught my attention with its sleek design and universal height feature. If you want a toilet that provides comfort for everyone in your household, this is worth a serious look. The Entrada comes with a powerful E-Max flushing system that uses just 1.28 gallons per flush. It's designed to give you a strong flush without wasting water, which is great if you care about saving on your water bill. The universal height means that it's easier for people of all ages to sit down and stand up, making it ideal if you have kids or older family members. Now, I've seen some feedback about this toilet being a bit difficult to install. Here's the thing though, if you have some DIY skills or can hire a plumber, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. Many users love the comfort and efficiency it provides. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable option that balances comfort and performance without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you want something more modern or with additional features like a bidet. All right, if the installation issue of the Entrada bothered you, the next one brings a whole new level of comfort.
Product number 2, Kohler Botello. Next up, we have the Kohler K2197-0 Botello, which retails for around $762.09. What stood out to me is its elegant, elongated bowl that offers more room and comfort. If you want that luxury feel in your bathroom, this is definitely worth a serious look. This 2-piece toilet features the Revolution 360 swirl flushing technology, which creates a powerful flushing motion that keeps the bowl cleaner for longer. That's a big plus if you don't want to spend too much time scrubbing. Plus, the comfort height feature makes sitting and standing a breeze for most adults. However, some users have mentioned that the price is a bit steep for a toilet, but here's why it's still worth considering. The quality and design are top-notch, and you're investing in long-term comfort and performance. This is perfect for you if you're after a stylish toilet that also makes your daily routine smoother. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or looking for something simpler. Now, if the price of the Botello held you back, the next option might be a great compromise.
Product number 3, Toto Drake Washlet plus 2-piece toilet, which doesn't have a listed price, but has over 50 sales in the past month. This toilet caught my eye because it combines a powerful flush with a built-in bidet feature. If you want to elevate your bathroom experience, this one's definitely worth a look. The Tornado Flush technology ensures that every flush is efficient and effective, while the Washlet Plus allows for a warm water cleanse. You can adjust the temperature and pressure, which is a game changer for cleanliness and comfort. Plus, the self-cleaning wand and deodorizer keep things fresh. However, some people may find the concept of a bidet intimidating or unnecessary. Here's the thing. If you're used to traditional toilets, this might take some getting used to, but many users swear by the comfort and cleanliness it provides. This is perfect for you if you want a luxurious and hygienic option. Skip this if you prefer a traditional toilet without the extra features. All right, if the Washlet Plus was a bit too high-tech for you, the next one might offer a simpler solution.
Product number 4, American Standard Colony 3. Next is the American Standard Colony 3 chair height elongated toilet. While it doesn't have a listed price, it's known for its affordability and solid performance. What caught my attention is its powerful flush, combined with a chair height bowl that makes using it comfortable for everyone. Worth a look if you want great performance without a hefty price tag. This toilet uses just 1.28 gallons per flush and has a power wash rim design that scrubs the bowl with every flush. This is great for keeping things clean without extra effort. Plus, the chair height at 16.5 inches makes it easier for people of all ages to use. However, some users have reported issues with the flush being less forceful than expected. Here's my take. If you have lighter waste, you might need to flush twice, but for most users, it's a solid option that gets the job done. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and budget-friendly toilet. Skip this if you need a high-end model with all the bells and whistles. Now, if the Colony 3 didn't quite convince you, check out our final option that offers a modern twist.
Product number 5, Swiss Madison Saint Tropez. Finally, we have the Swiss Madison Saint Tropez, a one-piece elongated toilet that's sleek and modern. While it doesn't have a listed price, its design and functionality definitely caught my eye. If you want a stylish toilet that doesn't compromise on comfort, this one is worth considering. With a dual flush option of 1.1 or 1.6 gallons per flush, you can choose the right amount of water based on what you need. The ergonomic design between 15 to 17 inches height ensures it's comfortable for a wide range of users. Plus, the non-porous ceramic makes it durable and easy to clean. However, the weight of 105 pounds might make installation a bit tricky for some. Here's the thing. If you have someone to help or are hiring a pro, the style and efficiency are worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you want a chic and efficient toilet that fits a modern aesthetic. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight or traditional. Now, let's wrap things up by comparing these fantastic options. To wrap things up, we've explored 5 fantastic comfort height toilets. The Toto Entrata offers reliability, the Kohler Botello provides luxury, the Toto Drake brings high-tech clean, the American Standard Colony 3 gives solid performance at a budget, and the Swiss Madison Saint Tropez brings modern style. Each one has its own strengths, so it really comes down to what you value most in your bathroom experience.